Hello. My name is Marc Drouinaud, and if you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. Please feel free to relax and enjoy the content. Also, like, comment, and share this video and other videos on this channel. Also, subscribe because we cover a lot of amazing and interesting cyber attacks and cyber stories. So without further ado, this video is the recovery and prevention method for a Locky ransomware attack. Now, if you have not seen, please go back and look at the video in which I've covered the Locky ransomware attack from the perspective of the victim and the attacker. We went over using MK, the fake mailer system, to craft it. We've shown things like putting a Dropbox in the email, the body of the email, to show to make it look trustworthy as if it's actually coming from Dropbox. So for the purposes of making sense for this video, I encourage you to please look at the previous video detailing how to perform a Locky ransomware attack. Now, without further ado, let's get into it right now. Alright, so we're going to be manually creating a Windows 7 system image. Unlike previous malwares, Locky encrypts system restore points too. So this time a system image needs to be created on a separate hard drive. Now, if you didn't see the previous video, this ransomware attack devastated not only universities in Florida, but also the healthcare industry. I mean, this attack has really, it even has reached as far as Ukraine. There was a deadly ransomware gang that was using the Locky ransomware attack to cripple many organizations. So we're going to be running Locky again. And the reason why we're going to be running Locky is to demonstrate that the system image could indeed recover old files. And we're also going to demonstrate that it does not get encrypted as well. So we're going to be and that was the encryption text. We're going to, for the Locky, we're going to be selecting system image as the recovery method, and then we're going to reboot, we're going to restart. Very shortly, we are going to be selecting the correct system image. As said before, select the correct system image, starting the recovery process. After we do that, we're going to be waiting for Windows to recover the system image. We're going to be waiting for the system to be fully rebooted. And then we're going to show there is no virus. There's no virus anymore in the task manager. And one of the ways to show that a virus is not in your system anymore is to go to the task manager. So we will be going to the task manager to demonstrate the virus is not persistent on the system restore anymore. And as you can see, the files are accessible. They are not encrypted. We are now going to be transitioning into the prevention method for a Locky ransomware attack. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be downloading Kaspersky's anti-ransomware tool, and then we're going to install it. And this is not the first time we've used Kaspersky. Kaspersky is very good for preventing many ransomware attacks. Although this is not a promotion for them, this is just being objective. With that being said, we're going to enter dummy information into the Kaspersky registration pop-up. And we're going to do a good job because the data does not get checked. So the dummy data is all right. One thing I like about Kaspersky is it will show you if a ransomware threat was blocked or not. So we are going to be demonstrating the Kaspersky's tool was indeed able to block the Locky ransomware threat. And it even reverted changes Locky did to the system. Boom! Not us. So boom, there it is. It even reverted changes Locky did to the system, Changes as can be seen in this video, including register keys, file modifications. The tool intercepted every action and blocked the threat. Ooh-wee! So that was the recovery and prevention method for a Locky ransomware attack. This attack has devastated healthcare organizations and educational organizations, public universities in Florida, and Methodist hospitals. So that was the recovery and prevention method. Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.